Imagine this, a place in the universe so powerful, it bends not just space, but time itself. A place where stepping just a little too close could mean entering a future millions of years ahead, or never returning at all. What if I told you black holes might hold the key to actual time travel? We've all seen time travel in movies like Interstellar or Back to the Future. But here's the wild part. Physics tells us it might not just be science fiction. Black holes, those mysterious cosmic monsters, could be our closest doorway to bending time. In this video, we're diving into the science of how black holes could make time travel possible. We'll uncover the mind-bending physics, the paradoxes, and the challenges. And by the end, you might start questioning whether the future is already waiting for us. First, let's start with Einstein's theory of general relativity. It tells us that time isn't constant. Gravity can stretch and squeeze it. The stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. And what has the strongest gravity in the universe? Black holes. Here's the mind-bender. If you orbit close to a black hole, time for you slows down compared to someone far away. Spend just a few hours near the event horizon. And when you return, decades or even centuries could have passed outside. It's like a one-way ticket to the future. Yes, in a sense, black holes are natural time machines, but only forward. But what about traveling to the past? That's where things get really interesting. Some theories suggest black holes could be connected to something called a wormhole. Picture it like a cosmic tunnel, linking two points in space-time, like folding a piece of paper and poking a hole straight through. If one end of a wormhole stayed near a black hole where time moves slower and the other end was far away, time between them could run differently. Step through one side, and you could, in theory, emerge in a different time entirely. But here's the catch. Physics is a cruel trickster. Wormholes, if they exist, might collapse instantly. Radiation could destroy anything passing through. And then there's the dreaded grandfather paradox. If you go back in time and change something, what happens to the future you came from? Still, some scientists think the universe has built-in safeguards, like the many worlds theory, where traveling back creates an alternate timeline. Meaning, if black holes can let us time travel, we might not be changing our past, but stepping into an entirely new reality. So, what does this all mean? Black holes may never be something we can harness like in science fiction, but they prove one thing. Time isn't fixed. It's fluid. It bends, it stretches, and maybe, just maybe, it can be navigated. Every time we peer into a black hole, we're not just studying distant stars. We're peeking into the very fabric of reality, into a place where the boundaries of time itself start to blur. That's why scientists keep chasing these cosmic mysteries, because the secret to time travel might already be written in the stars. So, let me ask you this. If black holes really could take us through time, would you go forward to see the future or back to relive the past?